Let's learn English. My class, your class. Today's lesson: how to use the prepositions in, at and on for time and location. You use the preposition in when you are talking about something in general. You use the preposition on to talk about something more specific, and you use the preposition at to talk about something very specific. First, let's see some examples about the preposition in. When we are talking about time, we use in with centuries, decades, years, months, and weeks. For example, the telephone was invented in the 19th century. We used to listen to these musics in the 90s. She was born in 2024. Her birthday is in June. They arrive in 2 weeks. We also use the preposition in with the expressions in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. For example, I will go to the park in the morning. When we are talking about location, the preposition in is used with country, city, and neighborhood. For example, they live in Brazil. Let's review the use of the preposition in to talk about time is used with centuries, decades, years, months, weeks, with the expressions in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. To talk about location is used with country, city, neighborhood. Now, let's see the preposition on. When we are talking about time, we use this preposition with days, dates, weekend, and holidays using the word day. Look at these examples. We are going to travel on Saturday. We are going to visit our grandparents on Christmas Day. Her birthday is on June 9th. I will go shopping on the weekend. When we are talking about location, we use the preposition on with streets and avenues. For example, they live on Oxford Street. Now, let's review the use of the preposition on. When we are talking about time, we use this preposition with days, dates, weekend, and holidays using the word day. When we are talking about location, we use the preposition on with streets and avenues. At last, we have the preposition at. We use this preposition to talk about hours and holidays without the word day. Look at these examples. Our flight leaves at 7 a.m. We will visit Grandma at Christmas. When we are talking about location, we use the preposition at to talk about address and in specific location. Look at these examples. Her brother lives at 25 Oxford Street. You can meet her at the store. You can also use at with the expression at night. For example, see you at night. It's time to review. We use the preposition at to talk about time with hours and holidays without the word day. When we are talking about location, we use this preposition with address and to talk about in specific location. We also use the preposition at with the expression at night. Did you like this lesson? What about subscribing the channel?